Lots of clearance at the lows. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers support from by subscribers and likes. Yes, guys, there's a whole bunch of clearance. They're clearancing out the whole store, so just keep an eye out. A lot of these prices might not be the best prices, but you guys can compare it to your lows and probably get yourself a better deal. Either compare it to this one, try to get a price match, or just get a better deal basically. So they got these. They got these for $50, guys. This is I actually came back for this one and it sold. So, but yeah, it just needed some paint and some love and put it back straight. Yeah, to $50, guys, down from $169. They did have another one back there, no price on it, but chances are you probably could have gotten it for $50 too. But just some paint and a few body work right there, and $128 for this one. So this one's almost a regular price on this one. Steel bent, so you can probably get some discount on this one too. They had a total of 3 of those. You got the Craftsman 24-volt string trimmer, $119 down from $149. So if you got those batteries. Alright, they got the pole saw here, $129 down from $159. It is the kit. And then got the chainsaw, $129 for that. They got the Taro Ants liquid spray or liquid bait station, $498. Lots of clearance, guys. They got some nice covers here for the grills, $26. They still got this chainsaw on clearance. I have no idea what the price is. I should have asked. It's marked at $149. Same thing with this, $149 from $199. So I should have asked for the clearance price on that chainsaw, but I did not, because I didn't have time. Alright, they got the Eagle blower, guys. This is a killer deal. It's from $139 down to $56.77. I already made this video. I did end up picking this up. If you guys missed the video, I'll see if I can link it up above on the right hand corner for you guys. But yeah, this thing was brand new. It's amazing. $7.97 down from $11. It's a nice flashlight from Lux Pro. 3 AAA's, batteries included. It's 15-hour runtime, ultra low mode, 330 lumen, 3-hour runtime there. So really bright. Definitely check it out. A great bug out bag or tool bag, whatever, junkyard. $29.98 for those. Then you got this one. This was the Linux 367 down for $14. I ended up picking one of these up. It does have fold out screwdriver. So really nice features that it has in there. So I picked one of these up for the work truck. You can't have enough of these. So $367. They got this one down to $399 from $449. So that's not the best deal, but it's pretty good discount there. Alright, the clearance section. Yes, this clearance section is huge. You got a bunch of racks on this side, bunch of racks on the other side. So we're going to try and go over the most important ones, so that way this video is not 2 hours long. You got $79 down from $99 for Dremel. You got a pocket hole jig, $720 Pro. Guys, these prices are not, some of these prices are not this price. Like these yellow ones, I believe they are the price. But the ones that don't have a yellow marking, they haven't got to them yet. They might be lower, so just keep that in mind. Always double check at your loves. And the website does not show the price, guys, the clearance price. So you do have to ask for the sales associate, the associate, so they can scan it on their Globes platform, phone, or whatever they got, the machine. So $123 on this one. It's an impact wrench. You got a drill driver here, $83 down from $119. You got a reciprocating saw, $83. Bare tool, brushless. And then you got this $123. So it's the same as the other one. This is an impact wrench, 1/2 inch. $111 for that hammer drill. And you got the drill itself there. No price on that one. But we do have a price on this. It's $100 for both of these. So not too bad. Regular price $249. Obviously, with the kit. I don't know if they come with the batteries and chargers, but got this one for $185 on clearance, down from $219. Suncast 200 feet Pro Cart. We got a bunch of lamps here and really cheap. As you guys do see, there's more than 50% off a lot of the furniture. All the Allen and Roth furniture is on clearance, 75% off everything. So lots of little tables, and this one's $35 down from $143. Now this one's at the clearance section, and we're gonna see another part of this one too. So this one's down to $85, down from $179. It's a killer deal on this one. So definitely check it out. It is a very tool, just keep that in mind. This one's down to $22 from $89. It's some sort of table. So that's pretty nice. That's the item number there if you guys want to look that up. That's the way it looks. A nice table. Alright, we got this one. This one's a LED 4000K. $15, maybe a shop light. Who knows what that is. You got a Shark vac, $59 down from $99. So that's pretty nice. And then you got this one, $25 down from $169. Some sort of vanity bar. Like a light or something, really fancy light. This one's $30 down from $74. Another table, like a little side table for the chair. Then they got all sorts of deadbolts and stuff for the doors. They got this wireless remote control outlet. So if you guys got a vacuum, if you guys doing the what is that, the dust management system for the for your woodworking and stuff like that, with the vacuum you can get a remote control like that. This one's the soldering, so I ended up picking this one up. So it's like a little welder for the soldering. If you got smaller cables and wires to solder up. So $7 down from $32. This is a pretty good deal. $32.98 down to $7.37. It says medium duty. So that's a pretty good deal on this one. Then you got this one for $47.97. It's a fitness mat. You can use it for some, if you guys do weightlifting and all that stuff, or for the garage. You got a home tool kit there, pouch, and then you got some sort of backpack, dog travel backpack. $19, $29, and $19. So there you guys go. If you guys got dogs and cats, I guess you can put them in there. Alright, on to the more the tools and the flashlights. Got a headlamp here for $57, down for $11. Ultra bright mode, 210 lumen. So it says dual button operation, down from $15. You got a 14-gallon portable wet and dry vacuum DeWalt, down to $134 from $149. Alright, you got this one. This one's already sold out. $71 down from $119. It's a 4-gallon 5-peak horsepower. You got a toolbox here. It's a 10.2 full size truck box, $358 down from $419. You got a 6.2 mid size truck box, $338 down from $389. Compact truck. You got this vacuum here, $29 down from $39.98, $29.97. Clearance. And you got this 10.2 cubic feet, full size, $348 down from $399. So about $52 or $51 on that one. You got a 50-piece drill drive set, $19 down from $25. So you got some nut drivers there, some magnetic sleeves, some stars, some drill bits. So very complete kits. It does have a socket adapter there. $12.98 down from $14. 65-piece drive-in sets. Make sure you guys get on the lookout because some of these are going to go down on clearance. You got a Tic Tac case there with some bits, 2-inch bits, some more Phillips, some Robertsons. All right, $14.98. Guys, these are these Lufkins are going on clearance. Really low price, like $6. I haven't had a chance to see them at $6, but make sure you guys look at your lobes. You see them for sometimes $2, $6. You got a 50 footer here, $23 down from $32, and then you got a 100 footer to $32.98. Sorry guys, it's hard to get the camera in here or the phone in here in between two different things here. That's the 100 footer by a 1/4 inch. All right, you got two 2 amp hour battery packs for $99. You got two 3s for $129, and the best value is this one. You got an 8, a 4, and a 2 for $179. All right, they're still running this deal. I'm not gonna go over all the deal because we already went over it in several different videos. But yeah, they're still running this deal. They got plenty of tools on this store. I know some other stores they're not. They don't have any. Let's see. This one's $329. It's a 8 1/4, down from $399. It's a pretty good deal on this one. All right, you got impact driver, drill driver. These are XR tools. These are top of the line XRs. $264 down from $279. All right, you got the drill driver. This is a bare bones starter, $99. And then you got this drywall kit, the drywall cutout tool, and a drywall screw gun, $249. I believe this one regular price was $299. Some stores they have them for $200, so just keep an eye out on that one. Got a 1/2 inch drill there, $149. It does include a laser level on that one, so if you guys need that, get that combo. $99 for the hammer drill by itself, down from $149. Bosch 1/2 inch. Alright, you got $99 for the Freak. With the 2 amp hour battery, you guys do see, you guys could put all kinds of sockets and bits in there. So it's a 2 tools in one. It's a 1/2 inch square drive and a 1/4 inch impact driver. 2 amp hour battery for $99, down from $159. You got a hammer drill, $99, down from $149. You got a 1/2 inch impact wrench, $151, down from $189. That's it right there. I believe that's the mid torque. So, or not the mid torque. It's I believe it's less than the mid torque. It doesn't have a lot of torque. So it's for smaller stuff. Got an impact driver, drill driver for $159, down from $199. Got that circular saw. Remember guys, we saw that for 78 something. So now it's right here 109. So definitely be on the lookout. Maybe you guys could price match the other one if you guys need that tool for $78. Killer deal. Or $79. Can't remember. So $119 for this one's a triple hammer. This was the one to get. It's top of the line for Metabo HPT. You got a 4-piece combo kit for $239, down from $299. Yeah, so it's actually a pretty good deal. You do get the drill driver, impact driver, oscillating tool, and I believe you get a one-handed reciprocating saw. You got this one. You buy any other 36 volt battery and charger, you get a 36 volt tool. Killer deal on this one. I believe that's $199. You get yourself a free tool. You got this one on clearance for $47.97, down from $60. It's probably going to drop even more, or maybe be even more. You got this one on clearance, guys. 8 amp hour battery. If you're in this line, this is the time. Pick up this battery now. $119, and then this one's $59, down from $99. It's a 4 amp hour. Obviously, the 8 is the one to get. You got a $797, down from $19.98. This is a 52-piece screwdriver and bit set. I did not see any here, but I decided to put in this tag in case you guys do see it at your store. You guys could price match. Get yourself a nice deal. Guys, that's it for today. Lots of clearance. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.